Our team is gathered here today for our Karma Cares program. Come together to help that have been impacted by heavy flood the last couple of weeks in Bali were impacted and the local community. Our Karma Cares program donated individually as well as Karma Group, our company. We've made donations to help these staff and the local community that have been impacted by these heavy floods. This is one of our bigger regions for staff. We have over 1,000 staff in Bali, and some of them were impacted by these heavy floods last week. Karma Cares, we give, we love, we share, we create experiences.